how to add a gift card on Temu. So if you want to use a gift card on Temu, follow these simple steps. Now, step number one, open the Temu app. First, open the Temu app on your phone and log into your account. Step number two, go to account, so tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner to go to your account page. After that, find the payment method. So look for the option that says payment method or wallet and tap on it. After that, add a gift card. So you will see an option to add a payment card or payment method. Choose add gift cards, enter the gift card number and PIN if needed. Now after that, save the gift card. So after entering the information, tap save to add a gift card to your account. And after that, use the gift card. So when you shop on Temu, at the checkout, you can choose your gift card as a payment option. Now make sure the gift card is valid and has enough balance. And if there is any problem with the gift card, you can contact Temu support for help. So that's it. Now you can use your gift card to shop on Temu. Now, so this is how to add a gift card on Temu. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.